My friends, Ontario is home to the largest life sciences cluster in the entire country. We are titans of research and development, leading the creation of life-saving medicines and medical equipment. In fact, Ontario currently leads the country in clinical trials for the development of COVID-19 treatments and vaccines. Of course, Roche has also been a leader in its own right. This company has been at the forefront of developing rapid test kits and producing the reagent we need for testing. Both are absolutely critical in the fight against COVID-19. And all of this important work is happening here, right here in Ontario, right here in Mississauga. And today, we're here for another very important reason. We're here to announce some amazing news. Roche is investing $500 million over 5 years to establish a new Global Pharma Technical Operations hub here at their offices right here in Mississauga. The new operations hub will oversee key aspects of Roche's pharma business. This includes supporting and managing Roche's global supply chains, clinical trials, commercial development of new technologies, business strategy, and much, much more. The new hub will also create up to 500 skilled and good-paying jobs, and 95% of these jobs will be local hires. That means people in your own backyard are going to get great jobs, and 500 more people within the reach of the Canadian dream. And of course, when people thrive, local businesses thrive and communities thrive. Because my friends, I promise you this, when we get our economy going again, we're going to create prosperity and opportunity the likes of which this province has never seen. And the proof is right here in front of us. Out of all the sites around the world, and I understand there's I believe 12 of them, Canada, the US, and Europe, Roche picked us. Roche picked Ontario for this new hub. Today's announcement, it sends a clear signal. Ontario is the place to innovate, grow, and thrive. I want to again thank Roche Canada for choosing Ontario and for choosing Mississauga to make this game-changing investment. Before I hand it over, I want to address the concerning situation we're seeing in York Region right now. By all accounts, the indicators are going in the wrong direction. We're seeing a rapid increase in the rate of infection, with the positivity rate of 2.77% above the high alert threshold of 2.5%. Cases per 100,000 in York are now nearly 39, well above the provincial average, and similar to what we have seen in our worst hotspots. Most concerning of all, critical care admissions are reaching alarming levels. We had a discussion earlier today at Cabinet about additional measures to protect the people of York Region from COVID-19, and we've consulted with local leaders in York Region, and based on that recommendation of the Chief Medical Officer of Health and the experts in our public health measures table, and I hate doing this, my friends, I hate this. Effective Monday morning at 12:01 a.m., York Region will move into modified Stage-2 for a period of 28 days. My friends, this was not an easy decision to make, and I know this will be very, very difficult for many people to hear. But we can't allow this virus to get into our long-term care homes. We need to protect our schools and our communities. We need to keep performing vital surgeries in our hospitals. We need to stop the spread before things get worse. We need to avoid a full lockdown. We took the same decisive action with Toronto, Ottawa, Peel Region when we saw the same alarming trends. And as I say, and like the first 3 regions to enter a modified Stage-2, we will be there for impacted business owners and workers in York. They'll be able to access funding from the $300 million we're putting up for fixed costs like property taxes, hydro, and natural gas bills, along with the federal support as well, with supporting loans for businesses and also for their employees. Friends, I can tell you, when it comes to the province, we will spare no expense to help business owners get through this. They've done everything right. They deserve our support as we do what's needed to get the spread of COVID-19 under control. And I ask all the people in York Region, please support your local businesses. Please support each other through this, because together we will get through this.